Welcome to Random Pizza Jokes with me, Papa Za. Each episode will have 5 pizza jokes. You can tell us which one you like the best, or you can tell us which one was the worst. And if you got a pizza joke for us, leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Why does the mushroom always get invited to pizza parties? Because he's such a fun guy. Why was the pizzeria desperate for business? Because they needed the dough. I like how my local pizza place cuts the pizza into 6 slices instead of 8. I can't finish 8 slices. What do you call fake pizza? A pepper-phony pizza. What's the difference between a good pizza joke and a bad one? The delivery! Well, those were something. We'll be back with 5 more pizza jokes, hopefully better than those ones. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Weird Wild Pizza.